Hey there, doing eBay Group Break 31, 10-11 Ultimate. Here's your last team auctioned off. Serial number. Alright, good luck to everyone. Here we got for the Colorado Avalanche, $3.99, Matt Duchene. Here we have Nikitin, Ultimate Rookies for the Blues. Decoy, Redemption, and here we got for the Blue Jackets, dual jersey for Rick Nash and Voracek. That's 48 out of 50. See what his redemption says here. NHL autographed Ultimate Rookies, numbered to 299. Magnus Piarvi for the Edmonton Oilers. Well, that's alright. Alright, thanks everyone for joining. Hope to see you next time.